In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable spatial sound on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best result, should come back with Settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System tab or tile, and then select Sound on the left panel. On the right where it says choose your output device, click the drop down, select the one you want to either enable or disable spatial sound for, and then select device properties. Where it says spatial sound, select your spatial sound format for an immersive audio experience that simulates a more realistic environment. Click the drop down and you can select any of the options listed here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.